Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make nachos. We are starting off with salsa. Grab 3 tomatoes and diced onion, toss them into the grinder, add 8 cloves of garlic, 3 split green chilies, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and let's grind it up. Squeeze in juice of 1 lemon, season it with salt, cumin powder, black pepper, and a touch of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now, here's the twist. Dice 3 more tomatoes, but this time keep it chunky. Mix it gently to keep the satisfying texture, and our chunky salsa is ready to rock. Grab your favorite chips, and trust me, this salsa is a game changer. Next up, we are diving into creamy goodness of guacamole. Dice up a fresh onion and toss it into the grinder. Now for star of our show, avocados. Let's slice down from middle, give it a twist and remove the seed. And add it to the grinder. Toss in 3 green chilies, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, a handful of cilantro, a squeeze of lemon, and generous pinch of salt. Grind it all up until it's smooth and creamy. This guacamole is so good. Now let's make the cheesy salt. Melt some butter, add flour and stir until it's nice and smooth. Slowly pour in 3/4 cup of milk while mixing it until it becomes thick. Now add your favorite cheese and stir until it's all creamy. Add red chili powder, pinch of salt, mix it again, and there you have it. Our cheesy sauce is good to go. Now it's time to bring it all together. Grab your favorite chips, lay them out on a plate. Pour cheesy sauce over the top. Spoon off a chunky salsa, guacamole. Throw on some jalapeños for extra kick and finish it off with sour cream. And there you have it, the ultimate nachos.